Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
In this video, I will explain how to use Ghost in MM2. Ghost Mode is a unique ability that grants you temporary invisibility, making you undetectable to the murderer and other players. This can be incredibly useful for escaping dangerous situations or setting up a surprise move. Mastering Ghost Mode can significantly improve your survival rate and overall performance in the game. Let's dive into the specifics of activating and utilizing this powerful feature effectively. To activate Ghost Mode, you first need to acquire the Ghost item. This special item is usually obtained from opening mystery boxes within the game, so keep an eye out for them. Once you have the Ghost item in your inventory, simply click on it to activate the ability. You'll notice a visual cue indicating that you are now in Ghost Mode and invisible to others. Remember, timing is crucial for its effective use. Strategic use of Ghost Mode can turn the tide of a round. When the murderer is close, activate Ghost Mode to quickly disappear and create distance. It's also excellent for reaching key locations or hiding spots without being seen. Try combining Ghost Mode with jumps or quick turns to make your escape even more unpredictable. Remember, the duration is limited, so use it wisely for critical moments. To truly master Ghost Mode, practice is key. Pay attention to the duration of the invisibility and try to anticipate when the murderer might be near. Observing their movement patterns can help you decide the best moment to activate your Ghost ability for maximum impact. This skill can elevate your gameplay significantly. Also, for those looking to simplify their daily routine, check the description for a link to some fantastic leak-proof meal prep containers and other great deals. They are super handy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.